Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now, day 8 in Bohol Island, 10 a.m. in the morning. I'm flying my drone at Balicasag Island. This is a beautiful island. I paid this island hopping only 900 pesos. It comes with a dolphin watching, snorkeling at Balicasag Island. After that, we go to the Virgin Island. It is a half-day tour. Right now, we are going to explore Balicasag Island. We reached this island almost like 8:30 in the morning.
My name is Sergio and this is Balicasag Island.
Okay. We are going to register ourselves in the dive center. In this shop you can buy smoothies and shakes. Apart from that you can buy a waterproof bag for your electronic gadgets. All the souvenirs you can buy from here. How much is one?
Souvenirs for
Yes.
this one's a real crab inside and starfish.
Wow.
Island, Balicasag. This one is the natural shell.
Okay.
We get this one, we put inside
How
crab
much
and
is one?
starfish. This one?
Ah.
This one is 350, this one is 250.
Okay. Thank you. Right now we are on the way to dive center for registration. On the way you can see a lot of restaurants. There you can buy a lunch or breakfast. It's up to you. But unfortunately this is a half-day tour. We have only 2 hours in this island. 1 hour for snorkeling. Other 1 hour you don't have much time to explore this island. Luckily I went to this island twice. The first time I went there, I took the drone footage. It was not that great, so I had to go second time. In this place you can buy or rent all the snorkeling gears. Obviously the price is going to be a little bit higher than the mainland because they are going to import all the goods from the mainland. So this is the dive center. Here you have to register yourself. Then they divide into groups for the snorkeling. In this place you can rent a GoPro. It will cost you 600 pesos. After registration, we divide the group into 3. We assign one captain. He is the one take you for snorkeling and guide you all the way. Meet Mr. Christopher. He is our guide and the captain. In this small boat, we are going to explore the snorkeling area. We have a 1 hour time. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. I highly recommend the snorkeling in this island. If you want a more detail, please check the previous video in my channel. Thank you.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy
Very
our
good.
activity.
Yeah, I enjoy very good. This is Mr. Christopher. He's a very nice guy and talented. This is what, chicken?
Crabs of the chicken.
Okay, I'll take only the egg.
How many?
I take 2 eggs.
Vinegar, spicy.
Spicy.
No, spicy.
Spicy.
This one?
Yeah, it's enough. So they're selling pancake over here. Pancake. And a chicken. Crab. Hot dog. Everything there. Total how much? I'm going to try some egg. It's like an egg and spicy sauce. Here it goes. It's really spicy. It's nice. Maybe I'm very hungry after the snow. Meet Mr. Marco. from Bulgaria. He is a sweet little boy I met in the island hopping. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.